Hello everybody. Welcome to EnglishAneus. Today, you're gonna learn interesting English things in this important lesson. Please listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's get started.
The 7 days of the week.
7 jours semaine.
How many days are there in the week?
Combien jours ki genyen nan semaine?
There are 7 days in the week according to the International Standard Week, ISO 8601, used by the majority of the world.
Genyen 7 jours nan semaine nan selon standard international semaine ISO 8601 ki majorite monde la itilize.
What is the first day of the week?
Ki premye jour semaine nan?
Starts Monday or Sunday?
Eske li komanse lundi ou bien dimanche?
According to International Standard ISO 8601, Monday is the first day of the week.
Selon principe international ISO 8601, lundi se premier jour nan semaine nan.
It is followed by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Li genyen apre li mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi ak samedi.
Sunday is the 7th and last day of the week.
Dimanche se 7e et dernier jour semaine nan.
Although this is the international standard, several countries, including the United States and Canada, consider Sunday as the start of the week.
Même si se yon prinsip internasyonal, men gen pil peyi ki gen la dan yo, Etats-Unis, Canada, ki konsidere ke dimanche se jou ki komanse semen nan.
How did they choose the names of the days?
Ki jan yo te fe pou chwazi non jou yo?
The names of the 7 days of the week in most Latin-based languages come from the Roman calendar, which related each day with 7 celestial bodies considered to be gods: the Sun, the Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn.
7 jou nan semen nan pi fol lang latin yo soti nan kalandriye romain. Kote yo kompare 7 jou yo a 7 kos seles yo ke yo konsidere tankou diye, tankou soleil la lune, planet Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter ak Saturn.
The English language has retained the planet names for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. However, the names for the other days of the week have been replaced by their equivalent Norse or Germanic gods.
Langue anglais a konserve non planet yo pou samedi, dimanche ak lundi. Pendant ce temps, lot non yo nan semen nan te remplacé par diye norman yo ou bien équivalent germanique yo.
Some Asiatic languages such as Hindi, Japanese, and Korean have a similar relationship between the weekdays and the planets.
Gen kek nan lang asiatique yo, tankou Hindi, Japonais, Korean ki gen yon relasyon ak jou semen nan ak planet yo.
The 7-day week provides a clear method of representing dates and times to avoid misinterpretation between people from different countries with varying traditions for writing numeric dates and times.
7 jou yo ba yon méthode clair sou representasyon dat ak lè yo pou evite mauvaise interpretasyon nan mitan moun ki nan peyi diferan ak tradisyon diferan pou lè ap ekri dat ak lè nimerik yo.
Why 7 days?
Pou ki sa se 7 jou ki genyen?
There are many different opinions as to how the 7-day week originated.
Genyen pil opinyon diferan sou fason 7 jou yo te komanse.
The most common explanation points to Babylonian astrologers who assigned planet gods to the days of the week around 700 BCE.
Eksplikasyon ki te plis popilè te konserne astrolog Babylonian yo ki te atribye diye planet pa yo ak jou ki nan semen nan environ 700 avant ère pa nou.
The Romans later replaced these names with their planet gods in the ancient Roman calendar, and Germanic and Norse people later did the same with some of their gods.
Romain yo apre yon tan remplace non sa yo pa non diye planète pa yo nan ancien calendrier romain. Et peuple germanique ak nordique yo pral fè même bagay la avec kek nan diye pa yo.
When is the weekend?
Ki la week-end lan komanse?
The Christian or Western world marks Sunday as their day of rest and worship, while Muslims refer to Friday as their day of rest and prayer.
Nan monde chrétien occidental la, dimanche se jou yo konsidere kom jou repos ak adoration. Pendant ce temps, musulman yo fè référence ak jou vendredi kom jou repos ak la prière.
The Jewish calendar counts Saturday, the Sabbath, as the day of rest and worship.
Calendrier juif la konte samedi kom sabat, tankou jou repos ak adoration.
Both Saturdays and Sundays are common days of rest in the calendar.
Samedi yo ak dimanche yo se jou repos ke tout moun konnen nan calendrier ya.
Calendars in some countries use a separate color for the weekends and reserve the black or gray fonts for the weekdays, Monday through Friday.
Nan kak peyi, calendrier yo itilize yon couleur ki distingue week-end yo e itilize police noir ou bien gris pou jou yo ki nan semaine nan. Soti lundi pou rive vendredi.
In a week there are weekdays and weekend.
Semaine nan gen weekdays ak weekend.
Weekdays, from Monday to Friday.
Weekdays yo komanse lundi pou rive vendredi.
Weekend, Saturday and Sunday.
Weekend se samedi ak dimanche.
Always remember to capitalize the first letter when writing each single day.
Pa jambliye mette premye let nan chak jou an majiskil.
Let's pronounce the days of the week.
An nou prononse jou yo ki nan semaine nan. Tande e repete.
Sunday.
Dimanche.
They play football on Sunday.
Yo jwe football dimanche.
Monday.
Lundi.
She goes to work on Monday.
Li ale travay lundi.
Tuesday.
Mardi.
I study English on Tuesday.
Mwen etidye anglais mardi.
Wednesday.
Mercredi.
Can I see the doctor on Wednesday?
Eske m ka we dokter a mercredi?
Thursday.
Jeudi.
I want to see the nurse on Thursday.
Mwen vle we miss la jeudi.
Friday.
Vendredi.
They go dancing on Friday.
Yo ale danse vendredi.
Saturday.
Samedi.
We go shopping on Saturday.
Nou ale achete samedi.
Extra vocabulary.
Plis vocabulaire.
Today.
Jodi ya.
Let's go out for lunch today.
An nou al dejene jodi ya.
Tomorrow.
Demen.
You can see the doctor tomorrow.
Nou kapab we dokter a demen.
Yesterday.
Ye.
Did you visit Cap Haitian yesterday?
Eske ou te vizite Cap AYISYEN ye?
It's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and comment this video right now. Thank you so much for your support. Catch you in another more interesting video.